In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Discord doesn't send a notification when someone blocks you, so the best approach is to look for a few reliable signs inside your direct messages and their profile. I'll walk you through simple checks you can do on desktop or mobile, and I'll also explain what each result might mean so you don't misread a temporary issue as a block. Start by opening Discord and navigating to the conversation with the person you want to check. You can find them in your direct messages list or use the search bar to pull up their name. Once you're in the chat, try sending a short, normal message. If it immediately returns an alert that your message could not be delivered, often mentioning that you don't share a server, their privacy settings only accept messages from friends or other restrictions, that's a strong indicator. While that message can appear for a few reasons, seeing it consistently in an existing DM, especially when you've messaged them before, often points to a block. Next, try adding a reaction to one of their messages in your chat history. Tap or right-click to bring up the emoji picker and choose any reaction. If the reaction doesn't appear, fails to send, or you get an error, that's another common sign that you can't interact with them anymore, which aligns with being blocked. If reactions work normally, it's less likely you're blocked. Another useful check is the friend request. Open their profile from the DM by clicking or tapping their username or avatar at the top of the conversation. On the profile panel, look for the option to add or manage friendship. Send a friend request. If it fails right away or shows a message indicating it can't be sent, that can mean you're blocked. Keep in mind, some users restrict who can add them, so combine this with the earlier checks to be confident. If you need to locate the right control, click their name to open the profile, then click the highlighted button on that panel to proceed with the action you're attempting, such as sending the request or viewing more details. Put these signs together for the clearest picture: undeliverable DMs, failed reactions, and a rejected friend request. If all three line up, you're very likely blocked. If only one happens, it might be privacy settings or a server issue. Either way, be respectful. If someone has blocked you, it's best to give space and move on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you read the signals clearly on Discord.